Hey guys, it's Dale with the insurance. Today we're talking about it's an article that it's unique to each one of us, and I've got to be honest, we're kind of on the fence with this question. So it's really going to be up to each person's unique circumstances. But objectively speaking, we can answer the question. Question is, do I really, and the title of the article, do I really need medical travel insurance if I already have health insurance? Right? Good question, fair question, especially coming out of a time period where COVID just ravaged not one part of the world, but everywhere, right? And you were, if you traveled, and even if you didn't, if you caught COVID, there was a chance you could get really, really sick, like hospital sick, you know? And when you're traveling, obviously that can be very scary. You're around things that you're not used to, a government you're not used to, a healthcare system you're not used to, and maybe even a language. So this is a very, very good question. Obviously, how much time you're in set how much time you're traveling takes, you got to take that into account. But the brass tacks is, it pains me to say this, but typically your US health insurance is not going to cover you, period. So if there's any reason for you to think that you need coverage while abroad, while whether it's, hey, you know what, I'm traveling, but this isn't like a week trip. These are months that I'll be in such and such country. Then you really need to think about getting travel insurance or something more substantial, because typically your American health insurance policy will not cover that at all, including Medicare and Medicaid. Medicare may cover emergencies, such as an ambulance getting you to the hospital, but I mean, covering the your actual time and work being done in the hospital out of pocket, right? Obviously, if you're comfortable paying out of pocket, that's one thing, but just know up front what the plan is, so to speak. Travel insurance, and that's another thing. That's another good thing that spawned from COVID. Travel insurance is way more accessible. The article has a partner of ours, Square Mouth, on it, where you just type in your information and you have all types of policies to choose from with different levels of coverage. But yes, if you're traveling, obviously your circumstances are unique to yourself to make this decision. But if you are leaning towards needing health insurance because you don't have the capacity to pay out of pocket should something happen, and the chances of something happening are makes you uneasy, then go ahead and get travel insurance that would cover your medical costs. Once again, it's very easy to actually review nowadays. You can do it all online, seamless experience, and it's definitely worth it. One thing I will note, which is also in the article, is look at the exclusions and limitations of the policy, right? Because typically, or at least me, when I go to travel, I tend to be a little more risky and do things that I may normally not do in the States, right? I'm not saying bungee jumping, but maybe you go on a hot air balloon, or you skydive, or you do a little more whitewater rafting. But just things that are a little more active than you normally are. Make sure that those things that you may be doing are included, because obviously sometimes on these travel policies they exclude certain items, because they pose risk, right, of you getting injured. So once again, unique circumstances for every person, but if you're on the fence, please go ahead and get travel insurance and then check those limitations on that policy. Okay? Thanks a lot, guys. Thanks for stopping by. We'll chat next week.
Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. And if you really liked it, hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. We love hearing from you. We love hearing from our viewers. So be sure to leave a comment below with your thoughts on this video, and we'll see you in the next one.